Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to convert this Colorado motor vehicle sales analysis project into a Docker image. This project basically performs EDA operations of machine learning. This project helps us to understand the Colorado motor vehicle sales database. So let me show you what is the output of this project. That is streamlit run app.py. The streamlit is used to integrate this app.py into web application. So let's wait a few minutes. Now you can see the Colorado motorcycle dataset views total sales of this dataset and EDA operation which we have performed, and also the country analysis according to the year. You can select the quarter, that is 1 2 3 4, whatever you want, and the last thing is forecasting. So this is my actual project. Now I'm going to convert the above project into an image and run in my browser. So let us close all the previous windows. Here just press Ctrl C. So kill this terminal. Now my project structure is in this way. I had a, you can see, or else I'll show in the command prompt. You can see I had a folder like main project. Inside that I had Colorado motor vehicle sales data folder. Inside this folder I have app.py files and dataset. Now create a file named Dockerfile, that is DOCK, Dockerfile. This acts as the Docker file. So here, previously, before performing all this operation, you must install the Docker into your system. That is, check the version of Docker ---- version. So my version is 29.1.3. so after this you have to write a code to perform image of this file. I'm using Python here, so I'll type from Python 3.8 slim. I'm using the base image as Python 3.8 slim, and I'm choosing working directory as /app. Now I need to copy this requirements.txt file for certain operations, where the content should be all. I must select here. Then you must run this project to install dependencies. Run pip install no cache directory -r requirements.txt. After this you need to copy all the files, then expose into port any of the port. Right now I'm using 8501, and to run the Streamlit app you have to use cmd square bracket. First thing is it runs with Streamlit, then you have to run as previously shown. Then what is the file name? app.py. Then after this you need to enter the server port, that is server dot port is equal to 8501. You have to expose in this. And next and final thing is server dot address is equal to 0.0.0.0. so we are making the default address in this. So once you rewrite this Dockerfile, just press Ctrl S, then come here, then you need to build the Docker image. To building it, you have to enter docker build -t, any of the name. Right now I'll give Colorado sales app space dot. This dot represent all the files. Once you type that, just press enter. Once you enter, the image starts building. You can see it is taking time to build the image. See, initially the working directory app, then copying the requirements, now running pip install no cache r requirements.t, installing all this necessary requirements text. Let us wait for a few more seconds. It is about 26 seconds already happened. To install these requirements, it took approximately 43 seconds. As this is a very big project, you will be having more requirements text to get installed. Now see, you can see this exporting the image and exporting layers, and this is unpacking the docker.io. Now this is completed. Now you can check with docker ps. There are no containers running right now. Now if you want to check with the images which is created or not, you can click docker images. Now you can see there is an image called Colorado sales app is there. Now if you want to run this container, you have to enter docker run -p. The port is 8501:8501 Colorado. Just a minute. Colo. You will get in this option. Just click here, sales app. Just press enter. Now you can see it is running in this network URL. Just follow the link. Open. Now you can see the Streamlit app will run. Actually you have to use external URL, not the network URL, or else if you want to present in localhost, just click on localhost. Oh, there is an error like file python 3 package. Actually the mistake is there is a model here, that is the stats model. Here in requirements I have not added this stats model, hence it's showing an error. Now once I add this, I think this must rebuild the image. Let me build the image again with the same name. Let us see. The image build is completed. Let us run this image again. Now let us check with our local host. Yeah, now you can see the thing what I made error is in requirements. I had a stat model here. I have not added the stat model, so this became the major error. So I have erased the error. Now you can see this whole project has containerized into an image. Then it is working fine with localhost 8501. So this is how you can convert app.py, the machine learning files, or any files which says to EDA perform operation can be converted into this Docker image. This image size will be more compact to perform certain operations. In my next video I'm going to show you how to push this image into Docker Hub. So that's it for today's video guys. Thanks for watching.